Welcome to our Python course category, designed for everyone from complete beginners to experienced programmers ready to level up their skills. Python remains one of the most flexible and valuable languages to learn, whether you're automating tasks, diving into data science, building secure systems, or integrating AI. These hands-on end-to-end courses cover it all, from scripting basics to advanced development strategies. You'll also leave with a detailed Python playbook, powerful coding resources, and a roadmap for ongoing development. Every class is taught live by expert instructors who use Python in the real world every day. They'll guide you through practical projects, share real-life examples, and make sure you'll walk away ready to use your new skills confidently. Whether you're an individual looking for a public class or seeking expert-led training for your team, or searching for a trusted partner to create a scalable, enterprise-wide learning plan for your organization, we've got flexible options to support your success. Check out our courses listed below to find the best fit for your needs. And if you're interested in special pricing or team training, reach out today. We're happy to help you get started.